MotorWeek is made possible by RockAuto.com.
Over the years, we've kept you up to speed on Britain's venerable Land Rover firm. We believe the upmarket Range Rover to be the best combination of luxury and 4x4 capability anywhere, while last fall we were practically giddy about the open-air Defender 90. But both these vehicles are at the fringes of the booming sport utility market. That's where this new Discovery comes in. So with both Country Club and Backcountry in their realm, is it time for Land Rover to conquer suburbia too? That would seem to be the next logical step, since Land Rover has already conquered the world's less developed areas. That includes the harsh jungles of Guatemala, where the Discovery received its baptism of fire with the press and acquitted itself in superb fashion. After that, the byways of suburban America should offer little threat to the rugged Discovery. But there's more to mass marketing sport utility vehicles in America than just building a tough truck, and the Discovery shows that Land Rover has learned that lesson well, especially in the area of price. At $28,900 to start, the Discovery competes directly with many of the sport utility segment's top sellers. And unlike some earlier Land Rovers, the Discovery offers the amenities and safety features that U.S. family buyers demand. The cabin is huge and airy, with an excellent view in all directions thanks to its extra generous glass area. And close to nature by way of not one, but two optional power-operated glass sunroofs. Earlier Land Rover models suffered from rather archaic control placement. The Discovery features the company's new and most modern dash yet. And not one but two airbags, a Land Rover exclusive. Seating is in the form of firm but supportive bucket seats. Ours came equipped with optional Connolly leather upholstery. Their elevated position gives an excellent view of the road and the large analog gauges, and places all dash controls, which include pod-mounted satellite stereo controls, ventilation switches with separate temperature controls for both driver and passenger, and the standard AM/FM cassette stereo itself within easy reach. An optional 6-disc CD changer resides under the driver's seat, while the 60/40 split rear seat and elevated roof provide plenty of passenger room and folds easily to provide additional cargo space. The rear cargo area not only offers generous luggage room and easy loading, but optional folding jump seats for extra passengers, who enter easily thanks to this optional folding step. If you need to store smaller objects, the Discovery has a wealth of boxes, bins, nets, and nooks for keeping everything under control. For keeping everything moving, there's Land Rover's all-aluminum V8. Here displacing 3.9 liters, it makes 182 horsepower and 232 pound-feet of torque, which feeds all four wheels all the time through either a new 5-speed manual or this optional ZF 4-speed automatic. Both are mated to Land Rover's proven 2-speed center differential. It's an excellent system, but with this much vehicle to move, the 14-second 0 to 60 time still came as no surprise. But it's off the pavement that the Discovery really comes into its own. The substantial torque, sophisticated four-wheel drive, spot-on gearing, and all-coil spring suspension make short work of rough terrain, and sometimes even outperform classic Land Rover models. But most Discoveries will only be driven on-road. Fortunately, its pavement handling skills were also up to the task. The Discovery's brakes are anti-lock equipped disc all around. They stopped it in a reasonable average distance of 138 feet from 60. Highway ride is important in a modern sport utility, and the Discovery's is smooth with only a little chop over expansion joints. EPA fuel mileage is rated at 13 city and 16 highway. We manage 16 with a light foot. We've already covered the base price numbers, but we'll repeat them again. $28,900 will put you in a Discovery. That's only a little more than half the Range Rover County LWB. Add on our test vehicle's extensive options, and you can drive away for $31,925. And with the Land Rover Discovery's wide range of skills, you'll be able to drive away to just about anywhere. Others in the press agree. Automobile Magazine said, "The Discovery is a quality piece. It is a very comfortable car on the highway, and if anything, it excels the Range Rover and the long-wheelbase Defender off-road." The Land Rover Discovery is poised to take on America's top sport utility models by offering all of the comfort and features that U.S. buyers demand at a price they can afford, and without compromising that legendary Land Rover character. To us, it's the perfect battle plan for suburban sales success.